Hey parents, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Picture this, your kid is at soccer practice, you get a quick text from their wrist saying they scored a goal, you reply with a thumbs up emoji, and you know exactly where they are on the GPS map, all without them carrying a phone that is too big or too distracting. That is not just a watch, that is peace of mind in a colourful, kid-proof package. Today we are wrapping the Garmin Bounce Kids Smartwatch, the fun, safe, feature-packed smartwatch designed for kids 8 and up that keeps them connected without the chaos. If you are worried about losing track of your active kid or want them to learn responsibility with a device that grows with them, stick around because this might be the smartest parenting hack you find all year. And yes, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us bounce in. First, let us break down the features that make the Garmin Bounce a total kid winner. This is not some cheap toy tracker. It is a full smartwatch with a 1.3-inch color touchscreen that is bright, responsive, and protected by Gorilla Glass 3 for drops and scratches. The case is durable nylon with a silicone band that comes in fun colors like blue, pink, and green, weighing only 30 grams, so it feels light on small wrists. Battery life is up to 4 days on a charge, with USB charging that takes 1 hour, and it is water rated to 50 meters for swimming or showers. The real heart is the safe messaging. Kids can send pre-approved texts or emojis to a parent-approved contact list of up to 20 people, and parents control it all through the Garmin Junior app on their phone. GPS plus cellular LTE keeps location accurate to 10 meters, with real-time tracking, safe zone alerts if they wander, and even a location history timeline. Health and activity tracking includes step counting, sleep monitoring, move reminders, and games like math challenges to keep them active and learning. It has a flashlight, alarm, timer, and calendar, and the app lets you set daily goals, reward achievements, and even schedule bedtime. Setup is simple. Pair with the app, add contacts, set zones, and hand it over in 5 minutes. I gave mine to my 8-year-old nephew for a month. He loved sending me soccer updates. I loved knowing he was safe at practice, and the battery lasted through a full weekend camp out. Overall, it is smart connectivity that builds confidence, blending fun games with parental controls for worry-free adventures. Now, pros and cons, because real parenting means knowing the full story. On the pro side, the GPS and messaging are spot on, location updates every few minutes, texts are quick and easy for kids, and the app is parent-friendly with instant alerts. The colorful design and games keep kids engaged without screen addiction, and 4-day battery means less charging battles. At around $150, it is a steal for LTE safety with durable build that survives playgrounds. Users rave about the Safe Zone feature and how it teaches responsibility. Bottom line, it empowers independence, eases worry, and feels like a tool, not a toy. The cons, fairly flagged. $150 is not free, though cheaper than full phones, and LTE requires a $10 monthly plan per watch. The screen is smaller than adult watches, so text is basic and no music or apps to distract. A few noted the band can slip on sweaty wrists, and it is for 8 and up. Younger kids might find it fiddly. These are small steps in a big leap for family peace. So, do I recommend the Garmin Bounce? 100% yes, especially if your kid is 8 or older, active, and you want safe connection without a smartphone. The pros like GPS peace and fun engagement far outweigh the cons for parents balancing freedom and safety. It is a confidence builder that pays off in smiles. If that is your family, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick call to action: if this parenting hack hit home, smash subscribe and the bell so you never miss the next family win. Clicking that affiliate link keeps the tips coming and costs you nothing. One last reminder, grab the Garmin Bounce through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, parents. If this eased your mind, drop a like, share with a fellow mom or dad, or subscribe for more. Keep bouncing.